Hi there, it's Dan Jones from Light Reading Mobile, and we're sitting outside the San Diego Convention Center in the blazing sun in one of Verizon Wireless's test vehicles, which they're now using to test 4G across their own network as well as their competitors. We'll be talking to Sean Bowers, a test driver for Verizon, and Tom Badger, the network director. Tom, you can talk us through some of the kind of dynamics of the network testing and all of this in the Southern California area, right?
Yes, absolutely. So we have 5 of these vehicles in Southern California. We cover approximately 7,400 miles every quarter. We drive major highways, state highways, rural highways, residential neighborhoods, downtowns. In the course of a quarter, we collect and made approximately 29,000 voice calls, 142,000 data calls. And what we're looking for are consistency in terms of reliability. And on the data side, we will look at how often are we able to make a data call, and while we're on a data call, we uploading a file, downloading a file, what type of throughput we are getting. And then on the voice side of the test, we look for ineffective temp and drop calls. And what we do with the data is we constantly trying to optimize our network and look for where we need to expand our coverage and also build extra capacity into the network.
Great, and that's just part of the picture in the US, right? Because you're looking at something around 100 cars.
That's correct. As a company, we have approximately 100 of these vehicles, and on an annual basis, we drive approximately a million miles.
So what do we have here?
This is basically the central system that does all the testing. We have 2 boxes along with data devices that are all plugged into this Panasonic laptop here. That laptop actually controls the testing. It has software on it that tells each piece of equipment when to start a test, what test to do, and keeps a running tally and records the actual test as it's going on. Actually, what I do is this is the laptop that I use up front, which is remoted into the one in the back, of course, that drives the test. But I control everything from up here as I'm driving, along with GPS. I have GPS on this laptop, and it gives us the ability to drive our routes with, turn by turn.
So there you have it. Verizon's doing a pretty comprehensive drive test these days. They're not just taking in their own 4G LTE networks, but they're also looking at all of their major competitors as well. So have fun with that.